Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Without wasting the time, let's get into the video. Today I am going to unbox this heat gun. I have purchased it on Flipkart. Let me quickly remove this package.
I hit the lotto, my motto, roll up gelato and throttle a couple models staccato who fucking brought up the bottles. I'm gone ham. This ain't even luck, all planned. Y'all know who the fucks I am. Burning bucks, smoke bands. Always been the MO since the start of this, and now I'm on a mission like a Artemis. Hey, we gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the plug, right? Fucking got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
This is the product. We can see ibell branding over here. We can see all the specifications over here. I personally prefer ibell brand because they have very good customer support and their products are really up to the mark. Let us open the box and see what's inside.
Looking at my watch, your spirit bomb, both hands is going up. You going coast to coast with us. See the flows is flowing, overflowing. Yeah, the cup it runneth over, tidal wave up in the ocean. We gon' turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know.
These are some attachments.
Got a feeling that it's gonna be a long night.
Heat gun and manual. Since this is a 2000 watt heat gun, it quickly gets upheated. It has two temperature setting, 350 degrees Celsius and 550 degrees Celsius. Airflow is pretty good. I have personally used this product and this looks more than better in this price range.
Turn the crib into a club like Hennessy and Buddha screaming thug life. Get it, baby, you know I'm the.
These are the manual and warranty card.
Everything I touch turn cold. Need no introduction cause they know Brit and Mo. I hit the lotto, my motto, roll up gelato and throttle a couple models staccato who fucking brought up the bottles. I'm gone ham. This ain't even luck, all planned. Y'all know who the fucks I am. Burning bucks, smoke bands. Always been the MO since the start of this, and now I'm on a mission like a Artemis. Hey.
There are some attachments provided by ibell. These are very handy.
Be a long night. Never an average night, 2-4 hours up in the day, I gotta make it right. 18 of those, I'm in the cave, I gotta make some light, make it hype, even if we break at night. And even if things go left, we gotta make them right. Chillin' with mom, we triple up, A on the double.